Hello everyone, welcome to Pound Teachers. Today I am explaining C program to find maximum and minimum element in an array. Okay, here I am taking A as an array and these are the elements that are present in array. Okay, and these tells us indexes. Every index in an array starts from 0 and ends with n minus 1. Here n minus 1 means n is the size of an array, and here as we take 5 elements, this n is equal to 5 and this index ends with n minus 1, which is equal to 4. Okay, now in this array we have to find which is the maximum element and minimum element. That means by looking here we can easily say 13 is the maximum element and 5 is the minimum element. So to find these maximum and minimum numbers, now we are writing C program. Here is the code to find maximum and minimum elements of an array. Okay, now here first I am giving header file, and after the header file I am giving here main function, and inside the main function firstly I am declaring n and I. Here n is for taking the size of an array and I is for further use in for loop. Okay, now after this I am giving printf statement to enter the size of an array. After giving the message I am using the scanf to get the value of n. After getting the n value, here I am declaring array with the name of capital A. Okay, and here I am mentioning size of an array as n. Now, after declaring the array, I am telling the user to enter the array elements by using printf statement. Now, after this, I am using for loop to get each element of an array. And if suppose I take array elements as 10, 9, 5, 13, and 7 as before I explained. Okay, after getting the array elements, here I am declaring two variables. Those are maximum and minimum. And after the declaring, immediately I am assigning value that is as array of 0. That means 10 at the beginning. Same with the minimum. I am assigning as 10 value. Okay, because it will start checking from first element and it will end by last element. So at beginning this maximum and minimum values are 10. Okay, after that I'm using here for loop to check all the elements to find the minimum and maximum numbers. Here this for loop runs from I is equal to 0 and ends at 4. Okay. After getting into the for loop, it will check the condition if maximum maximum number is less than a of I. That means if suppose I is equal to 1, it will check if maximum number 10 is less than 9. No, it is not true. So it will not execute this value. This maximum remains same as 10. Okay. After it will come to this statement. If minimum is greater than a of I. If suppose a of I is 9 and it will check if minimum, that means value of 10 is greater than 9. Yes, this condition is true. So then this will change, this minimum value will get changed to afi. Now new minimum value will become 9. Okay, like this it will check all the numbers, and end of the for loop it will print the maximum and minimum values. Okay, this is the program to find maximum and minimum elements. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for further content. Thank you.